Yo people, welcome back, City Hunters. New day, new vlog from Seoul. Today I know I look a bit different, but today I'm gonna give you some lessons about the history of Seoul, of South Korea. Clothes of South Korea or of Korea. So we're gonna visit the palace, and the palace is about the Joseon Dynasty, and people are laughing at me. I don't know if they are laughing, but anyway, if you wear these kind of clothes, then the entry to visit the Gyeongbokgung Palace is free. So I'm gonna take you along with me, stay with me, and then I'm going to show you guys around this area and this palace. So talk to you. Oh, what I forgot to mention is you can rent out these kind of clothes, and they cost around 30,000 Korean won. And I had this topi on my head, and that cost around 5,000 won. So yes, we're almost at the palace, and then I'm going to show you guys how the palace looks like. So stay with me and talk to you in a bit. Peace out. Ciao. Okay, so we're entering the palace almost, and you can see a lot of people are wearing traditional clothes. So this is the area, and this is the palace. The palace is from the Joseon Dynasty, and that was around 1400 years ago, sorry. Okay, so now we're entering the palace. So let's see. And that's the palace. This looks big. See a lot of people around here. So okay, I think that's the main entrance over there. So we're gonna go there in a bit, and we're gonna see what you can do around there. Over here you can see, I think that's the main entrance then. Yes, so this is the palace of the Joseon Dynasty. Okay people, so the palace was established in 1395. I just discovered that by Google, and it's from the Joseon Dynasty. And yeah, what more can I say? I mean, this is the most famous palace of South Korea, and yeah, people come here, visit this palace, and yeah, they just walk around here and explore the history of South Korea. Okay, so let me walk. That is the main entrance. A lot of people who are wearing these kind of clothes, traditional clothes, and taking pictures. Let's see. Okay, over there you can have some free admission. It's written down, self-ticketing, and I think tourist information. Up in front of me, it's quite busy, so I don't think that we can go just with us inside, just like that. So I'll just walk around, and then you guys will notice what's happening around here. Okay, that's another entrance slash exit. Okay. Okay, people, I just found out that the name of these clothes is Hanbok. So yeah, now we're going to go inside of the palace, and then from there on I'm going to show you the inside of this palace. So catch you later on. Peace out. Ciao. Okay, so we've entered the pavilion of this palace. Just came through the main entrance, and this is how it looks like. And you see a lot of people. We've got some information center around there. Let me see what it's written down here. See if I can read this one. This is the map. Let me see. Okay, so I'll just walk around and then you guys will see the area.
This is a normal person.
Okay, see a lot of people taking pictures. This is another stuff. I think that's then the main palace. Inside, if we go walk inside this. Okay, let me go to the main entrance. Yeah, so that's the main palace where the Joseon Dynasty family used to live. Okay, so I'm just walking around this palace then. It's a massive building, man. Okay, people, so now we're back at Hanok Village, Bukchon Hanok Village it's called. So over here you will see some old houses, and this is like the old town of Seoul. So I'm just gonna turn my camera and show you this yeah, these houses and this area. Stay with me. Ciao. Okay. To be honest, I don't see that many houses, or maybe this one of these streets I'll just go inside, and then you'll see some traditional houses. People still do live here, so I won't be that nosy. Well, these are the small streets, and it's like proper old village. Look here, here you will find Bukchon Row. Let me see. Yeah, so these are the little streets. Okay, let's walk.
Comme tu as vu, tu as ce fleuve là qui coupe la ville.
Okay. Every okay.
Okay, people, so this was a little tour of the Hanok village, Bukchon Hanok Village. I'm tired. You need to have a good stamina and fitness because it's uphill and downhill, so you need to walk quite a bit. You can see it on my face. So that was a little tour, and now I'm just going to walk back and chill, and hope you did like this vlog of the palace and the Bukchon Hanok Village. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you on to the next one. Peace out. Ciao.